Mastermind is a wonderful game for teaching logic. One individual plays the role of the code maker. They take any 4 of the 6 colors and places it behind the hidden screen. The code breaker then attempts to take logical deduction guesses and determine which are the correct places and colors. The code maker evaluates each guess. A red marker refers to a correct color in the correct place, and a white marker refers to a correct color, wrong location. Not putting up a marker means that color was not used. Let's take a quick look at this example. The red marker obviously means one of the purple is correct, but we don't know which location. In the second spot, the purple one is moved to a location and a white marker appears. This has to mean that then yellow is not a part of the code and that the purple one does not go there. This game also provides a great opportunity for if-then statements. If the green one is here, then it must be placed in this position. Or if yellow is not one of the colors, then green must be one of the colors. These types of logical deductions, if-then statements, make this a powerful game during the proof unit.